And for this part, for this kind of TSA customer lock, you guys can see we can set the own passwords. You can set your own passwords in this part, and we only need kind of hello, welcome the friend from China. Thanks for the for requirements for the product catalog. My colleague Tina and Teresa will send you the product catalog. Yeah, send product catalog to the Chinese brand. Okay, thanks. And here is a kind of international TSA lock. And by pushing this button, this kind of suitcase will be unlocked. And you can set your own passwords. It has three numbers to your own passwords, and you need to keep it in mind. Now you can open it. It is a kind of front open design. Yeah, the pocket, it is front open design. You can open the pocket with a zipper. Yeah, with the zipper. You guys can see it is front open design. And you can see the capacity inside. It is a kind of, you can put some matters, you can put some clothes inside. Capacity, you can put your clothes. When you go traveling, you can put your computers or other electronic devices like your makeups, your washing clothes, or other things in this part. Or other things. Anyway, the large kind of square part, you can put it in sticker in this part. When you packed them up, you can close the stickers. And on the two sides of the pocket, we have designed kind of two locks will open suddenly. Then the matters in this part will be damaged. Yeah, later. Yeah, 21 later. You guys may wonder why kind of capacity would be later. Yeah, would be lower. But we have a kind of another one. The capacity should be 26 liter. It would be larger, and I will introduce you guys later. This one, the capacity is 21 liter. This part, and you guys can see in the middle part we have designed kind of suitcase. It is actually a 20-inch one. This front part, it is adjustable. We have designed kind of locker. Yeah, we have designed kind of silver locker in this part. I can adjust the height. Then lock it. Still, now it is a kind of 20-inch boarding allowed suitcase. Yeah. And if you don't want to use the riding mode, we have kind of also the lowest one. So it has kind of three heights for you guys to adjust. I can drag it like a common suitcase if I don't want to ride on it. So that is the normal mode. And another mode, that is our ride-on mode, riding mode. And I only want one click. Yeah, one click. The max loading weight of this suitcase, the max loading weight, actually it has 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. The max loading weight, 120 kilogram. Because I can show you the framework. Yeah, you can see the framework. The middle part is the framework. The material, it is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, 100% aluminum alloy. So the max loading weight, 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. If you are under 120 kilogram, you can ride on it and you won't damage it. Because the middle part, it is 100 aluminum alloy. It is quite stable and sturdy. Yeah. And we have passed the kind of 1 meter test. That means we put this kind of suitcase from 1 meter high, and this kind of suitcase won't be damaged. The max loading weight, 120 kilogram. So do you have any other questions, the friend from Australia? If so, you can type it in the comment, in the chat box. I can give you a reply as soon as possible. And for this kind of power bank, maybe you haven't seen our power bank. You can remove the power bank. This kind of power bank, it is removable. You can take it out from this kind of suitcase. You can use it like a common power bank. And about the detailed information, you guys can see the left part on the screen. The most important information you need to keep it in mind. It is the capacity. It is about 74 Wh. Yeah, 74 Wh, and the capacity should under 120 Wh. So our power bank being allowed. You can take it onto the blend directly. When you checked in, the customers checked the kind of power bank, you can put it in your backpack, and then after they have checked this kind of suitcase, you can take it onto the plane directly. Charging ports, also your electronic devices like your phone or others. Thanks for your following. Very nice. Thanks for your time. Well, this suitcase, 9.5 kilogram. Hello, welcome the friend from CH, my client. Product catalog. Okay, branch and stock in Belgium. Yeah, we have branch in Belgium. According to the kind of sales, if the people want the wholesale product, following some likes, also some comments. Yeah. And now I will put this kind of power bank to the suitcase. For our power bank, you guys can see we have passed the UN 38.3. You can see the screen. We have passed the UN 30 onto the plane directly. You need to pass this kind of power, certifications, SDS, ROSE, also UN 38.3 accepted test airware product. And this product, you can see, it has a kind of CE certification. Yeah, CE certification. If you want to see it clearly, you can go to our homepage and you can see the detailed certification. And this one, it is a kind of LVG. Yeah. Hello, welcome the friend from MZ. You want to get our product catalog. Okay, my colleague Teresa, you need to pass this kind of safety test report. Guys, later. For each airware product, we have got the CE, ROSE, MS, home use. It is welcomed. And if you want to know the price, about the shipping cost, about the delivery time, if you want to know about it, you can send it in the chat box, and I will again. The left button, it is a kind of speed button. We have a kind of turning on button. This red button, you guys can see there are two buttons here, and with these two buttons, you can change the directions. You can move forward, you can stop, you can reverse, you can turn around. The right one, it is speed button. It is moving forward, electric bike, electric car, and by using them together, at the same time. Now I will continue to introduce this kind of about the controlling. It is quite easy. Right one, speed button, and by using them together, it is reversing button on this kind of product. But it is also a 20-inch one, foldable. But for this one, not the pink one, the front part, it didn't have the front part. It is only a kind of 20-inch one, and the footrest, it is on the suitcase. Here is the footrest. So that is the first difference of these two. This one has a kind of foldable part, and for this one, we didn't. The footrest, it is here on the suitcase. And next difference you guys can see, that is about the handle. You guys can see about the two handles. About this handle, we have kind of 3 buttons in this part. The height, it is adjustable by using the locker in this part. But for this kind of suitcase, the height, it is not adjustable. The height, it is fixed, and you can lift them up and down by using the middle button on the handle. That is there another difference. The height of this one, it is fixed. One brake button, using them together, it is reversing. So the controlling of the handle, and I will check your comments and give you reply as soon as possible. Now I am making a kind of comparison of these two kind of 20-inch luggage, 20-inch ride-on luggage scooters. You guys can see about the height of this one. I can use this kind of suitcase, the max loading weight. It is also with another one that is, it hasn't have a foldable. And about the controlling, right button speed up. Yeah, right button speed up. Left one brake button. And by using them together, it is kind of reverse. And your comments. Our company, yeah, we are in China right now, manufacturing. And recently, we are located in China, yeah, in Changzhou, a city near Shanghai. Yeah, we are located in Changzhou, a city near Shanghai, and we bike with different models. Also, we are still manufacturing like smart helmet. Yeah, smart helmet. Also, we are we are still in a kind of. Also, we have produced different kind of ride-on luggage scooters. You can see the logo, change the color, or change kind of function of this kind of suitcase, or our self-balancing electric scooters. Yeah, for this with kind of with one wheel or two wheels. You can see the product list, and the products are in the product list. We have kind of 98 products. Yeah, we have kind of 98. Send comments to me. And we also have branch and stock in from our Belgian stock. And every month we will ship our hot stock in Belgium. Then we can deliver the goods to you guys directly from. Anyway, you can send if you want to know more about this kind of delivery time or shipping time. You can contact us. You can send us the address, and we can check it for you. So many comments. Thanks. Each airwear product, we have got the certifications, and we have got over European patent. Yeah, this one, it is our European patent. And next, it is also a European patent for different products. Next, it is our, also a European patent for different products. So for Asian patent, you guys can see this one, it is a kind of US patent. I've got a kind of award for our smart helmet. For the design, for your inquiry for the product catalog, my colleague Teresa will send you the product catalog. Please wait a moment. Thanks. In the product catalog, you can see the self-balancing electric scooters with different models, which you can stamp certifications. And then you can see some contact information of ours. You can contact. You guys can see we have designed the option. These 4 colors are in stock. Yeah, you can choose. You have 4 choice. If you don't like this kind of suitcase, you don't like the color. Yeah, we accept. If you want to do a customization about the color or about when you meet our minimum order quantity, we can make customization for you. Anyway, if you want to know more, silver, white, purple, and pink. Yeah, we have designed these 5 colors. And about pink one, that is this product. It's a real product, the physical one. To change the color, want to do customization, you can contact us. About this kind of suitcase, the most important information, I won't damage this kind of suitcase because the material, you guys can see, the major percent aluminum alloy. When you ride on it, it is quite sturdy and stable, and you won't damage it. You guys can see, I can ride on it, and the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. So if you are under 120 kilogram, you can sit on it, and about the controlling of this kind of suitcase, you guys can see it is controlled by the handle part. The handle, it is for you guys to change the directions, and another part, it is our power bank. We call this kind of ride-on luggage scooters. It is controlled by the power bank. It is another important removable power bank. You can slide it from the original space, and when you want to ride on it, you can put it to this part. So this power bank, it is removable. Like your phone, like your iPad or other electronic devices, you only need a kind of USB cable. And another part, that is on the power bank, we have a kind of USB charging ports. Anyway, On the suitcase, we also have designed a kind of USB charging port on the suitcase, and I can show you guys. On the suitcase, we also have designed the USB charging ports. It is under the lock. You guys can see we have kind of cover in this part, a kind of black cover, and you can put the USB charging cable inside. You can put the USB charging cable inside, and then another cable to your phone or other electronic devices. So when you ride on this kind of suitcase, you can charge your electronic devices at the same time, because on the suitcase we also have designed a kind of USB charging port. So that's it. Could you show then the detailed information of the power bank? Detailed information, you guys can see. Please wait a moment. A kind of power bank. The most important information, that is the capacity. The capacity, it is 74 Wh. It is 74 Wh. So the charging time, when you want to fully charge it, the charging time is 2 hours. The charging time is 2 hours. 8 to 10 kilogram. The long distance, when you ride. And for this kind of power bank, we have kind of, you guys can see we have passed the UN 38.3 MSDS, ROSE, and CE certification. Yeah, we have passed these certifications. And for the another, I can show you. You guys can see here is only one part of our certifications of our products. This one certifications. This is our ROSE certification. And next, it is our LVD. Yeah, our LVD for our SE3 Mini. That is this one. And next, it is our US patent or European patent. We have got the patent for this kind of product. This one, it is our CE. Yes, test of the power bank. Yeah, of this power bank. If you want to take it onto the plane directly, you can take. You need to pass this kind of safety test. And about these certifications, maybe you cannot see it clearly. Actually, on our homepage of our store, you can see the detailed introduction to the certifications. Also, you can contact us, and we can show you the detailed certifications. When you want to selling our products in your country, maybe these certifications are necessary. If you want to become our distributors, we can send you this kind of about the capacity. If you want to see the capacity of this power bank, it is a kind of reminder. You guys can see we have a kind of reminder in this part, and by pushing it, you can see the capacity of this power bank. You can see the red light, and it reminds you need to charge it. Now I want to use the riding mode. I will put this kind of power bank to the original space. Yeah, I will put it to the original space. It is our removable power bank. Next, that is about the controlling of the riding mode. How to ride on it, how to change the drag. Here is the kind of turning on button. You need to put the power bank to the original space, then turn on it. This red light is on. That means this power bank, this suitcase, it is, now it is the same with our SE3 as the foldable one. The right button, it is speed button. The left one, it is a brake button. And by using them together, it is reverse button. So this kind of buttons, the handle, the right one, speed button. I can show you guys. Pushing them together, it is reverse button. So it is quite easy for you guys to learn. You need to be careful. Yeah, you need to be careful about your behind. Don't knock onto others. Don't knock onto the matters behind you. And about another difference of this one, the max speed of this suitcase, it is actually 8 kg/h. Yeah, the max speed 8 kg/h, and the max loading weight is 100, you can control the force. If you push them hard, the speed will be fast. So you can control the speed by pushing these two buttons. If they are really hard, you can, if you want to ride it in the fast speed, you can push it. Yeah, you can push it. That is the controlling of our seat case. I am going around of our sample room. That is the controlling of our ride-on luggage scooter. And the color, you have kind of 5 colors for you guys to choose. Silver kind of suitcase. It has a kind of capacity. You guys can see. We have designed kind of capacity. We have designed kind of pocket. And the front and this kind of pocket, it is unlocked. It is locked by the international TSA lock. You can push the buttons here. Yeah, you can push the buttons here. Now you guys can see it is quite easy for you guys to open, and you only need to set the password to your own password. And the original password is 30, and you can set it to your own passwords. Now I want to show you its capacity. You can open it with the zipper, and you can see the design of the pocket. It is the common one. We need to push down the suitcase and open it from the open design. And when we have designed kind of careful design, that is, we have designed 2 lockers on the 2 sides. We have designed 2 lockers. So when you open this kind of pocket, the front part won't open suddenly. The front part won't open suddenly, and it will protect the matters in this part, because we have kind of capacity space in this part. And I can open the locker scooters. It is about 26 liter. It is about 26 liter. And it is the size, it is a 20-inch one. When you go traveling or go outside, you can put your kind of your clothes or makeup or shoes or any things that you want to take during the trip. You can also take your power bank, and I can show you guys with our power bank. You guys can see here is a pocket for the power bank. Yeah. And beside it, we have another kind of small pocket, larger one with this one. You can put like your iPad or other things in this part. First, you can lock this kind of suitcase. After you have packed up your package or pack up your, I will finish it, then I can have a rest. Packed up your packages. You can see. You can lock. I forgot to turn it on. You can ride on it, and you want to go around the whole. You want to go with this kind of ride-on luggage scooters. You can take it like a mobility seat.